What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. We're making a sad video yet again. The F10 is down again. As you guys can see, it's on jack stands. Just a disclaimer, it was not the car's fault it broke down, it was actually mine. As you guys know, my car was sitting for almost a year because the rod bearings went out. Then after 6 months of looking, finding and doing everything to get a new engine, I did that, which took me almost a year to have the car back on the road. So yesterday was like my 6th time driving the car. I actually went to the mall and I was actually having a good day. Bought some shoes, and then on the way back home I took the same road I always take, and I was going the same speed I always go, which is 50-55, the speed limit. It was super dark and all of a sudden I saw a sign saying 35 miles per hour speed limit. Slowed down, but guess what, it wasn't enough. There was a humongous pothole. I'm gonna throw up the picture so you guys can see. Humongous pothole, flew right over it. 35 was definitely not the speed I should have been going. It was so dark I couldn't see the pothole at all. So yeah, so right after I flew over the pothole, the suspension kind of bottomed out. Felt extremely bad in the car. I had a feeling something was broken, but the car was driving completely normal, maintaining speeds, not steering left or right, going straight. For the time being, I thought everything was okay and it was just a bump, because this has happened to everyone, right? It has happened to you, it has happened to me before, but not usually you think that something is broken in your car. So after that happened, I actually came near my house, pulled into a gas station to see if everything's alright from the outside. Everything seemed fine, the car was still driving fine. Hopped in the car, went back home, and while backing into my driveway, I kind of started hearing this grinding noise, which I'm also going to show it to you guys in a second. Alright, so I actually took the wheel off. I tried moving all the bushings, control arm. Nothing moved, nothing seemed to be bent. So why I think is the electric steering box is because all this is solid, nothing moves. But when I steered the steering to the right, the box in the back kind of vibrates, right? So this is what is making me think that it is the box. A grinding noise which is coming from the right front wheel. The second I heard it, I knew something was wrong, and something was wrong. Anywho, so I kind of took the wheel off, I took the covers off to see if anything's bent, broken. Nothing seems to be bent, nothing's broken, which actually leads me to believe that the steering rack went out. As you guys know, the F10 uses electric power steering, no fluid, it's all electric, computer driven. So what I feel like happened is probably 1 or 2 teeth on the rack and pinion got broken. I'm not sure yet. I've yet to go to a mechanic to have it checked out, but everyone I spoke to said it's probably and more than likely the rack and pinion. I also think it's the steering box, and yeah, I looked it up, the parts. So I looked it up on FCP. The steering box just by itself is $2,500, which is remanufactured. Brand new is $4,000. Obviously I'm not gonna buy the brand new one. Next option would be remanufactured, which is $2,400, which is still a lot of money. Also I'm gonna need labor, which I think is gonna be $1,000, and the box also needs to be programmed, which is, I don't know, probably including $1,000. But guys, I don't know, I am extremely sad. Especially sad because this car was sitting for a year and I just got it back, and I love this car so much, I love driving it, but sadly it's down again. As of right now, the car is drivable, I can drive it around. It is making noises, but it's still drivable. I took it on the highway, it was maintaining speeds. So here I am guys, broken car yet again. I'm gonna get it fixed for sure, but I don't know in how long. School is starting, so for me to take up extra hours at work is gonna be pretty hard. I'm still gonna try my best because stuff like this keeps me up at night. I want all my cars to be healthy, fully maintained, and just the fact that I know it's making this noise is bothering me a lot. So yeah guys, be careful. if you see potholes. Well, in my case, I didn't see it. But be careful, guys, especially on dark roads. Keep yourself safe, keep the car safe. A second worth of my mistake turned into $35 worth of repairs. A car that is kinda usable. But yeah, guys, I am actually really sad that this happened, but such is life. I'm pretty sure a lot of you have gone through similar experiences and you came on top of it, right? So I will try to do the same. I will try my best to put all my resources behind this car right now to have it fixed, because I actually had the Z3, which is right here off camera. I had it scheduled for a control arm refresh, which is probably gonna be delayed now. And I also had the Toyota Camry set up for a transmission service, but seems like that is gonna be on hold too, a little delay. Like I said, guys, I don't really like my car sitting broken down, so yeah. Another thing, once you guys see the video of the noises the car is actually making, if you guys know what it is or you have any guesses, please leave it in the comments below. Maybe I could look into it some more. Maybe it's not the box, maybe it could be something else. Alright, so that video was done in one take. Usually I do many takes, but that was one. Hopefully I am able to explain myself well enough. I want to thank everyone also who has been subscribing to the channel. Welcome, guys, welcome to the journey, welcome to the problems too. I'm glad you're here. Thank you for being here, thank you for subscribing. But yeah, guys, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. And if you know what's happening to the F10, please go ahead and leave it down in the comments below. I will read it, I will reply to it, and yeah, we'll get it fixed. But for now, thank you for watching, and I am gonna see you guys in the next one.